What's up everyone, this is Bistro Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So currently in many Southeast Asian countries, including Thailand, the COVID situation is unfortunately getting worse. The numbers have risen so much, and in Bangkok here we are in a lockdown situation. So my hair has been growing. Anyways, I hope everyone out there is safe and healthy. With that being said, let's get into today's video. I didn't really have to do that transition thing. Okay, so welcome to another series of Cooking with Masa. Wait, no, that's not what it's called. Welcome to another series of Bistro Shibata. So in today's video, I will be cooking pork kimchi. Pork kimchi. That is actually the direct translation of what we call this dish in Japanese. Kimuchi. Pork kimchi. This menu I love cooking. It's easy, but it's delicious. And it gives you stamina because the pork, the kimchi, and all the good stuff in it. So without further ado, let's dive into the contents. I will be sharing you in a quick flow how I cook the pork kimchi, and I hope you give it a try too. Okay, so let's start cooking. that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try if you thought that would be delicious, because it is. So that's it. Don't forget to press the like button if you did, and please subscribe to my channel. And if any of you have any requests for what you want to see in my future vlogs or my future Bistro Shibata series, please leave a comment below. I'd love to try and challenge. If it is within the capabilities of my kitchen, I will give it a try. So I hope everyone stays safe and healthy, and see you all in the next video. Bye!